I present you this internet browser that gives $7 each month to install and use it daily as your default browser. And the name of this browser is Brave. How does it work? Brave is a new browser that wants to position itself in the market, and for this company offers you money so that your browser is used worldwide. Brave gives you $7 for installing and using it as your default browser, and if you want to generate more monthly income with Brave, you can share the referral link that Brave gives you, so you can share with everyone, and that way you will earn for each referral depending on the area. But the question is, $7 is nothing per month. The Brave browser not only gives you $7 every month to you, but if you get your referred people to install and use it, Brave gives you more dollars for each of them. In short, if you are an entrepreneur and manage to share with those who can use Brave, not only you will earn $7, but they will also earn by using it. What is the secret to generate a lot of money with Brave? The secret is in the largest number of people who install Brave with your referral link. If you manage to share with 100 people, this will become a big money inlet every month without working. Imagine that your referrals are in the United States or in Europe and 100 of them install Brave with your referral link. This would generate 7 by 100 equals 700 per month. 7 by 200 equals 1,400 per month. How does the payment method work? Brave uses a currency called BAT, Basic Attention Token, to pay all its users, with the option of converting them into your local currency through an UPHOLD account. That's right, you will need an UPHOLD account to collect your BATs collected each month in Brave. Do not worry, creating an UPHOLD account is very easy and fast and especially free. You only need to enter the address that I leave in the part of the description and create the account. And now ready to receive your monthly payments for just using Brave every day as your default browser. Take advantage, earn money for what you like to do.